everyone, Mason here, and in this video, as you can see, we're doing an unboxing, like I said in my last video. And as you can also see, we're unboxing a laptop from Asus. It's the ROG Zephyrus M16. And yeah, we're going to start unboxing it. Oh yeah, hand review. Hands, yeah. Oh, there's tape. Let me cut the tape. The cool thing is the tape down here, it says it's Asus on it. Okay, so now supposedly, somehow, this is actually quite heavy. I think we just lift it like this. Oh, it's supposed to be flipped around this way. Okay, so when you open it fully, as you can see, it says, I joined the ROG Republic of Gamers. But yeah, as you can see, when you lift the lid up, it kind of presents the laptop to you. Sounds like there's something. Got this here. Congratulations on your purchase. Safety precautions, different languages for notebook, PC's battery, G series notebook, PC. It's just a setup thing. Warranty. Oh, there we go. Okay, so this is the thing that plugs into the wall and then into the brick down here. As you can see, there's a logo on it. That plugs into the other cable I showed you. There's that side. And this plugs into the laptop, as you can see. It's a pretty big charger. 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, 3.5 amps. The output is 20 volts. 12 amps, 240 watts. It's an AC adapter. There's the box. It's kind of like a carrying case, I guess. You could use it as that. But yeah, that's the unboxing. Again, we got the information in here. The box, we got the charger, which comes in 2 pieces. And of course, and we have the laptop right here. Supposedly it's only 4.8 pounds, but to me it's pretty heavy. Especially with one hand. It has the cool reflection thing. Yeah. We turn it this way. There's the logo right there. The bottom's fans, more fans over here. This side, charging port, DC in, HDMI, Ethernet, USB-A, 2 USB-Cs, microphone, headphone jack, which is always nice. No USB-A, SD card slot, and some lock thing. And of course more fans. So yeah. Trackpad is actually really good size. It's a little thick, but honestly, it's pretty nice. Okay, so the keyboard is a little different. It's going to take a minute to get used to. Has all the essentials. I think it's 10 keyless, it looks like to me, 60%, maybe, I don't know. Speakers along the sides, there's a power button, which I'm not turning on yet. Volume buttons, microphone phone mute and unmute, the control center, lighting, battery, storage, indicators. Has a sticker saying it has Intel Core i9 and NVIDIA GeForce RTX. Okay, so the specs of this thing are a 60-inch LCD, 6 GB of VRAM, Intel Core i9-11900H, so it's 11th gen i9, 1 TB PCIe Gen 3 SSD, 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, 8 GB are not soldered on, 8 GB are soldered on to the board. Has Wi-Fi 6, it comes with Windows 10, 64-bit, but it's upgradable to Windows 11 according to their website. I think that's all for this video. This is just an unboxing. I will do a 1 week review video on this. Oh yeah, before we end this video, I just want to say this has a really nice view and everything, and it's an amazing laptop. I recommend you get it. Webcam up there, supposedly, so it might have Windows Hello. I'm not actually sure. I have to do more research. I'll talk to you guys, but yeah, that's the end of this video. As you can see, it's a nice laptop, but that's the end of this video, everyone. Thank you for watching. The next video I post with this laptop in is going to be my 1 week review, which I'm pretty sure is going to be really positive, as you can see. It's a really nice laptop, and yeah, you can get this is from Best Buy. But yeah, see you guys in the next video. Have a great day, night, or whatever time it is for you. Bye.